Is to make a clock, and we need some hands to represent the hands of a clock. So I'm going to click on costumes here on my sprite, and I'm going to click on this tool right here to draw a new costume. I'm going to click the line tool. I'm going to choose a color, let's say blue, and I'm going to choose a thickness, so maybe I'll go about 10 point on the brush size. And I'm going to draw a horizontal line here, and I'm going to hold down the shift key so it snaps to an angle of horizontal. So there we go. Now before you're done, we're going to choose this tool right here, which sets the rotation center. We don't want the hand to rotate around the middle there. We want the hand to rotate around the left end. So I'm going to make that right on the left end there. And then I'm going to hit OK. That produces a sprite. I'm going to rename this sprite Hour Hand because it was going to represent the hour hand. And then when I'm on scripts, I can do things like point in a given direction. So 0 degrees is straight up. If I pointed it at 90 degrees, it would be pointing to the right. So there it goes. But I want it straight up. That's 0 degrees. And then if I do things like turn 15 degrees, every time I click on this, it rotates at 15 degrees. So there you go. You have a rudimentary hour hand for your clock. You can make another sprite. I highly recommend you unchecking this draggable box. If it's draggable, somebody can drag it around the screen. If you unclick that, then only your code can tell it where to go and what to do. So if I go to 0, 0 and point in direction 0, it points straight up from the middle of the canvas. Okay? So you're going to have a couple of sprites, one representing the hour hand, one representing the minute hand, and one representing the second hand. All right, that's how you get a sprite to rotate around one end.